For this roll, we'll need 7 ingredients. We will need green leaf lettuce, kaiware or daikon sprouts, chives, 2 pieces, thinly sliced cucumbers, campio or thinly sliced seasoned gourd, avocado, and inari, which is fried bean curd. Let's start first with a half sheet of nori on the cutting board with the rough side facing up. We're going to wet our hands before we take roughly 150 grams of sushi rice and pack it lightly into a small ball. Then take the rice and spread it across the surface of the nori, carrying to cover the nori entirely. Once we have the surface of the nori covered with rice, we're going to sprinkle a layer of sesame seeds over the rice before flipping the nori over. But with this roll, we recommend starting with your light greens first. We're going to start with the chives and place them in the middle, and we want the chives to hang off the end of the nori. And make sure the amount that's hanging off the edge on each side is equal. Now we'll add our green leaf lettuce, and we also want the lettuce to be hanging off the ends of the roll. We want these balanced so they're equal on each side. We'll take some daikon sprouts and split them evenly into 2 piles. And we'll place them down next to the lettuce. At this point, we can start adding our heavier items to hold the light greens down. We'll take our cucumbers and split them in 2 even piles and lay them on top. And we'll take our campio and place the campio right along the top as well. We'll spread the avocado out evenly as well. I'm going to take the sheet of inari and cut it into 3 slices. Now at this point, we're ready to wrap the roll up. Take the side closest to us and wrap it tightly over the top of the ingredients. And then continue to roll until the opposite end of the nori ends up at the bottom of the roll. We don't want any ingredients hanging out. This will prevent the roll from sealing properly. At this point, we're ready to press and shape with our makisu. And we have a plastic cover makisu, and we're going to lay it the flat side facing down. And we're going to apply pressure slightly downwards and in at the base of the roll. We want to make sure to apply even pressure all the way across the base of the roll. And we want our sushi roll to be nice and even. And sometimes there's some loose rice on the edges, so we can adjust the makisu and press the loose rice in, so it's a little more form to the roll. And now we're ready to cut the roll. We're going to cut this roll into 6 pieces. We're going to start by cutting the roll directly in half. So we're going to cut it in half first. And then we're going to take one side and then overlap it with the other. And now we'll cut a third off. And then we'll cut this portion in half. This will leave us with 6 equal pieces. Now it's time to plate the roll. We'll take the 2 center section and place them in the middle. And we'll take the 2 end pieces and stand them up and place them on either side.